I'm Christina Wall and I'm going to be showing you how to convert boys' shoes to women's shoe sizes. Today we are going to be using US sizes for the conversion. It's a very simple equation. If you're converting women's to boys, you subtract 2, and if you're converting boys to women's, you add 2. If you are a boy's 6, you add 2, and you will be a woman's 8. A perfect example is this. This is a woman's 8, and this is a boy's 6. It's the same exact size. And some retailers will put on their box the conversion for you. For example, this here. Boy's 6, woman's 8. This has been Christina Wall showing you how to convert boys' shoes to women's shoe sizes.